Deep beneath the rolling waves of the western Pacific Ocean lies a world that feels more like an alien planet than Earth. It is a place of perpetual darkness, bone crushing pressure, and freezing temperatures. Welcome to the Mariana Trench, the deepest point on our planet. For decades, this crescent shaped scar in the Earth's crust has fascinated scientists and explorers alike. But what exactly lies at the bottom of this 11-kilometer deep abyss? Today, we are diving into the unknown to uncover the secrets of the deep. To understand the sheer scale of the Mariana Trench, we have to look at its most famous point, the Challenger Deep. It reaches down approximately 36,000 feet. To put that into perspective, imagine taking Mount Everest, the tallest mountain above sea level, and flipping it upside down into the trench. Not only would the peak be completely submerged, but there would still be over 2 kilometers of water above it. If you were to descend to these depths, the environment would change drastically. By the time you reach 1,000 meters, sunlight completely vanishes. This is the midnight zone. Beyond this, you enter the Hadal Zone, named after Hades, the Greek god of the underworld. Here, the water pressure is over 8 tons per square inch. That is equivalent to having an elephant stand on your thumb. You might think that nothing could survive such extreme conditions, no light, no plants, and pressure that would crush a steel submarine. Yet, life finds a way. Scientists have discovered remarkable creatures that have evolved to thrive in this impossible environment. Take the Mariana Snailfish, for example. It is a ghost-like, translucent fish that lives nearly 8,000 meters down. Its body is specially adapted with flexible bones and proteins that do not collapse under pressure. Then there are the giant amphipods, shrimp-like creatures that grow much larger than their shallow water cousins. These scavengers survive on marine snow, which is organic debris that drifts down from the upper ocean like falling dust. Humanity has only visited the bottom of the trench a handful of times. The first historic descent was in 1960, when Don Walsh and Jacques Picard reached the floor in the bathyscaphe Trieste. It took them nearly 5 hours just to sink to the bottom. Decades later, filmmaker James Cameron made a solo dive, followed by more recent expeditions that have mapped the floor in stunning detail. But these missions have also brought back a sobering reality. Even in the deepest, most remote part of our ocean, human impact is visible. Researchers have found plastic waste and chemical pollutants at the bottom of the Challenger Deep. It serves as a powerful reminder that our actions on land reach the furthest corners of the earth. The Mariana Trench remains a frontier of mystery. Every mission brings new species and new questions about how life began and how it survives in the dark. As we continue to explore, we realize that we know more about the surface of the moon than we do about the floor of our own ocean. The abyss is calling, and its secrets are waiting to be told.